Hey team, Austin with Rezio here, back with another fantastic Mason workflow. Really want to put an emphasis on field users here. Think about project managers, superintendents, those that may be potentially doing a job walkthrough. Notice a few issues on the job site, need to create a punch list item from what they are seeing. So within Mason, mobilely or through the full system, we can go ahead here and click on that microphone and begin texting. Please create a new punch list assigned to Brian Collins, having him repair and replace the cracked tile near the sink. Have this due this Friday. Now Mason's going to go through and formulate this into now what would be a clean punch list item that we can have assigned out to Brian. What will happen from here is a few steps of approval, ensuring we're getting the proper information in there. Once approved, that is going to allow us to, from there, open that item within Rezio by clicking approval, opening in Rezio, and that will then take us directly to that item within our punch list detail. Now from here, the nice drawer pops out, allowing us to include any images that we wish. That can be uploaded, saved, and assigned out to Brian. And from there then, this will auto-populate to their task manager, giving them that new punch list item due on Friday. If you have any questions on this and would like to further explore this optionality for you and your team, feel free to reach out to your Rezio coach and or your account manager that you are working with on the sales side of things. Thanks so much. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.